Alright guys, welcome back. So we just finished off this trade that we took on NQ during the first AM macro, and I just want to break down exactly the thought process that I had going into this trade and the reason why we took this trade on stream and why we secured 58 points. So it's a very easy trade. This is very basic, very simple. You can see here the drawn liquidity is either the London lows, the new day opening gap, or the previous week high. So what we wanted to see coming into the actual session was a manipulation candle happening around the PMI data coming out at 10 o'clock. So we had double red folder news coming out at 10 o'clock. So we wanted to see a manipulation higher to then send price down lower to attack the London lows, fill in the new day opening gap before continuing with its overall trend higher. Because you can see we're clearly in a bullish market as of now. We have got a W formation at the lows after selling off considerably for a long period of time. So we have a W formation at these lows. So people are trapped into shorts at this level to only send price out, induce people into the longs, take them out of the game to only continue with its path back upwards. So we understand we are in a bullish market right now, but you can still catch intraday shorts. And that's exactly what I was looking for coming into the session. Even though my overall bias is long, I do understand that the market must come down before the market can go up. So my thought process coming into the session was I wanted to see this high get taken one more time, so that we could actually start trailing lower. So let's see how this works out. So let's go down to the 1 minute time. Okay, people, so coming into the first AM macro right here, what we can see is PMI was coming out at 945, which didn't really give us the manipulation that we wanted to see. We wanted to see a manipulation higher so that we could look to trail lower. That's exactly what we were looking for coming into the session. So we can see here, price is now taking out this short-term high. So we can mark that out. That price has taken the short-term high. So call this short-term high. So price has taken out this short-term high. So we understand that liquidity that was stacked above here after the 930 manipulation candle has pushed price up. There's going to be people's stops above this area that were trying to catch the knife and take the short lower. So therefore, now we've taken out the short-term high. We have a red vector candle pushing price down out of the zone, and it has displaced below the previous swing low. And right there, we can see we have a very small gap, which we're happy to take because it's inside of a red vector candle. So it's very simple, guys. ES followed the same pattern as well. So if you look here, you can see ES was correlated, NQ was correlated. Extremely clean trade to take. Absolutely no problem taking this trade. So we can see there that we've come back into this fair value gap. And we had our first TP, I think it was 58 points. So let's just put it at 56. So we can see there we secured the first TP relatively quickly. And then we moved our stop straight into break even at this point. Our final TP would have been the manipulation candle at the 930 open, which was this one right here. So this is the pre-market session. So you can see here price has dropped down, induce people into the shorts to manipulate to go higher. So we understood there's going to be stop losses in the side of this area. So there's going to be buy stops and people are going to place their stops below this level. So we understand the market would like to come back here before it's going to continue higher. Otherwise, it's going to keep these guys in a profit, and the market's not about paying you guys. It's about taking money from your pockets and putting it into theirs. It's a transfer of wealth. So we understand there's going to be stops below this level, so price is going to want to come back down there at some point. So that was the reason for our final TP. And then we were stopped out relatively quickly. So we were only in this trade for a couple of minutes, but we still managed to secure a handsome bit of profit, which I'll put up on the screen right now. So there we go, guys. So I'll leave you with that information. You can do what you need to do with it. And make sure you guys turn off the charts for the day. The price action has continued to just get worse. So I wouldn't worry about trading anymore today. Let's turn it off and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.